If you're experiencing problems with apps on your iPhone 15, such as apps crashing or not working properly, it's possible that the incorrect time and date is causing the issue. This is because many apps rely on accurate time and date information to function properly, and if you have this problem, here's what you can do to fix it. First, check your iPhone's time and date settings and set it to automatic. This will make sure that your phone is properly synced with the servers. To do this, open Settings and then tap General. Select Date and Time and turn on Set Automatically. You can then close the apps you're having issues with and reopen them. Most of the time, this would be enough to fix the problem. However, if you're still having some issues with the apps, then you should try to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor glitches that may be causing app problems. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button and either of the volume keys until you see the slide to power off slider. Slide the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. After the reboot, the problem should already be fixed. You can prevent this problem by updating the firmware regularly, and if it happens again, try resetting all settings of your iPhone without deleting your data. That should take care of the issue. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching.